Yeah, we don't know Shadow Negus.
Yo.
Yeah. Been a girl since the days of a fetus.
You don't know the things that when the things step down.
All the girl them greet us when them see us and them need to.
Hey.
Hey.
Yeah.
Come and say. Hey.
One nation and I am our nation.
Come and say.
One nation.
One nation and I am our nation.
Hey.
Hey.
Hey, 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 hey.
Short nigga, big walker. Piss him off, I'm a shit talker. She like to call me daddy, but I ain't got no kids, nigga. I'm witch daughter. Flow stinker than shit water. Leave him pissed when I shit on him. Y'all don't know loyalty, witch on a nickname Nintendo, how they switched on me like,
They switch.
I went low key, came back and then changed the flavoration.
Shun, shun,
Weed out the snakes, then me rise up Imara nation.
shun, shun.
It is what it is, I don't need to be around no waste man. Make money stick to the plan. What me say? Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and not tell me thanks. Them teeth my style and not tell me thanks. Eagle. Remington. Them boy they don't have no relevance. Them teeth my style and not tell me thanks. What me do? Me down to earth like the Flintstone. Me down to earth like my big toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Keep it real, never trick, never pretend no. Everything real, give me from head to toe. Have things never stoop, never bend low. Yeah, me down to earth like the Flintstone. Javinci tell me if you watch my friend do. You lost straight up some corny niggas. You cannot hold back a flow. See nigga the position that I'm in, the boss is in it. Position up how you don't want me in it. I couldn't tell me where you were talking minutes. Now your girl pennies, I'm all up in it. Be very turbulence when I launch. The mess up with this so far, she saying her tongue, she's tickle. I got some for the strap I could give her. Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga. Like me that make between her legs run a river.
Yeah, well I don't know.
Before she get bent in pretzel positions.
Bend up our pop, hey.
I got some for the strap I could give her.
Alright.
Some weed that's a very good sex from a nigga.
Alright.
Like me that make between her legs run a river.
Alright.
Before she get bent in pretzel positions. Hey.
Easy. Yo, I have to say, welcome back to me. You understand? I've been missing for a few days. You understand? I went and had myself a little fun. You understand? You know, got in the groove because I don't know where I work hard, you know? Take a little break off, you know? You know, about 4 or 5 days full of fun, you understand? Little juice get bust and all them things, you understand? Yeah. And then I go somewhere on, I get sick a little bit, you understand? I don't know how I go on, you know what I mean? Little but it wasn't the big C. You understand? It wasn't the big C. Don't ever think it was the big C, not the big C. And if the big C forward, they don't know, so you hear what I knock it out with the home Jamaican remedies. Them, you understand? Because I believe saying you forget bag a gunshot for take care of things. You understand? I'm gonna say certain things pan yes because you know, so I'm gonna flag the video and anything else for misinformation and maybe when they come to big C. So what I call it big C, you understand what I'm dealing? Yo, I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Yo, I have a big announcement. When you see me put it up already in my community on YouTube. I am now the new brand ambassador for Tropic Isle Living. Yes, you don't know, so the work we put in all these years I pay off, you understand? So Tropic Isle Living is a Jamaican company, you understand, black-owned business. I want to offer respect and support black-owned business, you understand? I'm going to leave the link in the bio. It's hair products. You can put it on your skin as well, your beard, you understand? Hair growth, you understand? Shampoo, conditioner, leave-in growth mist, you understand? All of them things they want to need. You have locks, perfect. We the ebony ear, this type of ear, that's why my ear stays right now, because I want to know so right now, I just put in a product, I have it a cement in my head right now, you understand? All of the juices are flowing and something. But anyways, as I said, I'm going to leave the link in the bio. Apply my code NEGUS10, NEGUS 10 for your discount whenever you are going to shop with us, you understand? And make sure say, when I listen, make sure say, orders over $50 in domestic in America here, shipping is free. Yo, I don't know, say one nation, I'm our nation. Yo, I'm back. I'm here for talk about something where no phone no gonna like. Because I'm soon every day when I pitch on my page, you don't know me already. I'm unruly. None of you can bully me. I'm soon a bully World Dawg. I'm soon a bully Able Boss. But you see the thing with me, I don't eat from social media like that. Only YouTube. You understand? Promo money and them things that don't faze me. You understand? Look how I dress. When you can't stop my food. No matter how hard I try, youth. You understand? No matter how hard I try, you can't stop my food, youths. So, I'm soon a bully World Dawg. I'm not bully Able Boss. Negus, what are you talking about? Whoa, hold on. I'm talk to you. Yes. Me I talk about the fans of Kyng Tavii. You understand? Kyng Tavii have a group where Imara weaponize, comprised of mostly children. Zine, comprised of mostly children. Zine, and he said, Negus, this is a bold claim. Where you get all this information from? Well, apparently an ex-member of the clan group that he had almost 2,000 members, right? Took some screenshots before he was kicked out because he was, a big fan of Tavii, but he is not, as Nufa wanna call me, biased. Every day when I picture on my page, yo, you're biased. To the point where I'm going to stop and say, why all of them sound the same? Why are they all saying the same thing? It's as if collectively they came together and say they were going to move like this and type this and do all of this, and it's all sound the same way. So the youth running on my DM, and the youth send me about 4 screenshots, and the man say, yo, make World Dawg know, say, Tavii are sending people them for reporting page and them thing there. So I go to boom and say, all right, cool. And me I say, it wasn't really no serious evidence like that. You see me? The evidence never that hard hitting. You see me? Because me I say, all right then, me no know. So I go to boom and pre the first screenshot of my pre-zine. The first screenshot where him have like when him have him shirt off and like him a point and it's like a Vogue magazine, them edit that of course. And like him a say, it's a what? Super goat, and him a tell everybody say, yo, go comment under it. Zine? I mean, if you have a group and you have a group of supporters, definitely, you know what I'm saying? You gotta tell them, say, yo, hear what? Comment under it or whatever, blah, blah, whatever. But the dog goes boom now have the group and they tell the group, so you go comment under it, comment 876 or whatever. You understand? Then now another one where him say, I want to know F them up. You will be seeing me in the comment section. So basically, him tell them, say, yo, I think this was the episode 7 sneak peek. Him tell him group, say, yo, go under the comments, go ring up the comments them. You see me? Then now, another screenshot now. Right, so we have, I don't know, that's why I say, it never look like no really compelling evidence. You see me? Then now, you can see right, so what I say, more everybody post it on them Twitter with your opinions and use the hashtag 876 roommate. You see me? So basically, Tavii want 876 roommates to say, yo, him have a movement behind him. And yes, behind him, because all I know they behind him. If Tavii poop, you can know if Tavii eat white rice or rice and peas for dinner last week. I saw someone run up and down behind Tavii, and then come over here to come talk about me bias. No. I'm not biased. You just want me to think like, oh, you think, and that will never. What about I can say? That will never happen. That will never happen. Me bias? If I was thinking like you, that would have make me bias. But because me not think like you, I'm bias. But anyway, me not call them a bias. You are just followers, fanatics. You're bias, but I'm not going to use that. You guys are basic. You understand? And you tell me, if I suck my mother. Can't you upgrade your insults? I knew most of you guys were children. Most of you are children. Listen, don't let the hate turn you into a fake page. As me say, no, I can't stop my food. I got a job in real life. I got a job in real life. So let's say my Instagram gone, my TikTok gone, which I don't even eat no food from them things because I don't really do promo on them things like that. I don't have no time. When I say me bias, how much time when you hear me say World Dawg wrong? Oh, you wanna know? You wanna know what it really is? My phone hatred for World Dawg, I bleed over upon me. Phone hatred of World Dawg is bleeding over on me because when the first time I started talking about Tavii, it was with the RJ video. No one never that say my bias. No one never did that say my bias when I talk about RJ and Tavii. But as soon as I do the World Dawg interview, you're biased. And all I want to sound the same. And it goes to show that it was an orchestrated move. All I want to say when I go comment on them post, I'm biased. Lame. I figured you guys out. Anyway, so you must send in a figure comment and comment 876 rare. So Tavii said like me I hear say them now pre for drop it today. Okay then boom. Not no compelling evidence. No, this is the one. What make me say, it come like that you attack the truth, you know. It come like say that you attack the truth. Come go so boom now and me pre the last one. And somebody share a pitch the video. World Dawg they do a crate challenge. That's when him just get back in page. And him buy some crate and I do the crate challenge, you know? Want to follow, you know. Because if you think it's a joke thing, you know. And I want you to tell me if this right. Because really and truly, as yardman, I don't think I another yardman for play with the next man food. It's unfair for a yardman to play with the next man food, brother. World Dawg eat off of Instagram, bro. And on a spam report the man page till the man page get taken. Just for a few hours overnight and him get it back the next morning. Because you can't keep a good man down. Zane? So, him do the crate challenge and about an hour later, the video get removed. And then World Dawg goes to make a post, a story post. And they must say, yo, nothing in another video that the video get taken down. And it's not Instagram take on the video. Uno report the video. I remember this because this writer saw on the screen record the man's story where the man attacks yo, nothing in the video for the video get deleted. Look underneath the video. Clan powerful, no rest for the wicked. Clan eat and dime ras. I play when I play people food, you know. And when me say, una leader pathetic. Una say, my bias. No, this is pathetic. You are playing with people food. You are playing with people food. And me come for realize say, majority of una liquor picnic. Majority of una teenager, impressionable minds. Zin? And since you say, you're a World Dawg, you're biased, a World Dawg. All right, watch it now, pre the levels now. Let's stop talking about World Dawg now. Done with World Dawg. World Dawg done. Me not talk about World Dawg no more. Able boss came under some heat from you little kids. Kids. And if you're an adult acting like this, your future look bleak. Because the same people who now attack, they are making something of themselves. They are being productive citizens in this world, and you guys are trying to stop them food. As me say, you can go and ramp with my little Instagram and everything. I give up on Instagram long time. I got a real job in real life. Real job in real life. And the owner is my friend. So if you're not happy if you even find out which part of my work, there's nothing you can do about it. You can message him, he's going to tell you to F off. So what you know? We could scrutinize what I'm going to say now. So Able Boss came under some scrutiny because after episode 7, you know, Zine, after episode 7, we go so boom now and find couple. I talk to Able Boss. Able Boss, he says some things about Tavii. And so comes Tavii, local minions, them run out on Able Boss and try beat up Able Boss page. So me Able Boss attack and Able Boss I say, yo, the man them. Well, no, before that, Able Boss, we wake up the morning and see Able Boss post something on him Instagram. It's from the desk of the hating Telegram group. Zine, Tavii group him attack. Him attack about Tavii group. Zine, and it's a screenshot that somebody sent Able Boss. It's a screenshot where somebody sent Able Boss. Me never even know say Able Boss I get screenshot too. Because me never even, a long time I have them screenshot with the World Dawg situation. But it wasn't that compelling to me until me see them try to do the same thing with Able Boss. And Able Boss post it up on him Instagram. I said, no, this is unbelievable. And what them look at you to go with? Where them look at you to go because at the end of the day, you can't play people food like that. You can't be playing with people food like that. And I go sabum now. Zane, I scrutinize the whole thing. I say, yo, watch ya. Able Boss post it, you know. Watch ya now. Una report Able Boss page and everything. Watch it. From the desk of Able bitch. Because Able boss I say, yo, he might block them. Because as them come so and them a diss him and them a comment on them page, he might diss them. He might block them. Right? These are little children and have no life. We don't have no future if we don't continue like this in our life. Stop being someone's spawn. Him name Kyng Tavii, una am peasants. And una see him one say, yo, get Kyng Tavii side, Kyng Tavii side. I'm going to go to the man type in the man name on Instagram. I'm going to find the man name. I say, what the fuck? So I'm going to go up on my backup page now and type in Kyng Tavii name pop up. I say, oh, so the dog blocked me. Okay. So I'm going to go back on my main page and take a screenshot and post it to my community. Now here comes the minion them running. Oh, you're biased. Okay. Yo, you guys are weird, bro. Like, you guys are weird as hell. When you ask me if I go get Fim side, I went to go get him side. Him block me. I'm sure say him block me, so therefore I'm not biased because I was gonna go get his side. Oh, you're biased. The man for block you. You're weird. You are a weirdo. So after the 876 video drop, and Able say what him say about to no boss, wanna get vexed and try report Able page. Zine? I'm sorry, I'm a little bit congested. I'm still a heal, you understand? I'm still a get better. So this make me say, yo, so the man them really are sending out people for mash up people page and them thing that's pathetic. You guys are stopping people food. Una for grow up. Una big people, una for grow up. Una for grow up. Una can't play people food like that. That's wrong. That's wrong. Una play people food. So I have couple voice notes with Able boss I talk about the whole team. I could hear a couple of them. Cause I want to say on a joke timing.
Yo, I say since me chat about Tavii on the show, brother. The man have a groove, the man program some picnic dog. You see, if Pink Wall anybody post a video for me, the man them run up the comment section about no funny and I say one bag of thing and batty man argument and ray, brother. The Rasta boy program me I say yo, me say anything to my page, me go search for Tavii, brother. There's so much people in that group there. There's so much look up in that group they can take down your page anytime them ready, brother. Bumbo clot, they tell us yo, you have to laugh to blood clot, dog. Cause when the whole we chat about World Dog in the cookout challenge and I would do him up. World Dog to take it personal. So who is Tavii? How the blood clot this?
Who is Tavii? Is he above scrutiny? Is he above making fun of? Is he above being made fun of? Because we're able to just say, every single body in the house talk about World Dog. Everybody talk about World Dog, and World Dog now envy nobody. World Dog now send theme people them for a black nobody page. Pretty levels, you know. I talk about RJ. RJ no block me. I talk about Baba J. Baba J no block me. I talk about Dino. Dino no block me. But I'm biased when it comes to World Dog. I'm even talking about World Dog. I say World Dog did wrong. Because World Dog egg on the fight. But that, uno don't hear that. Because uno want me to be biased. Listen, if you are looking for a yellow house, you're going to see nothing but a yellow house. None of the other house them now gonna matter to you. So even though you have blue house, and you have white house, and you have black house, you want to see a yellow house, you're going to see the yellow house only. So, uno not hear none of the other thing that me say about World Dog, but somehow, my bias, even though I say World Dog wrong, even though I laugh when Kyng Tavii call World Dog mini and them World Puppy, and him call them World Puppy and say the puppy them a suck pan in titty and them something there, even though I laugh off of them thing that I'm biased, no, uno bias. Because me not think like what uno want me think. Anyway, we could continue because I don't really want to do the video too long, you know. So we have another voice note here.
The man, as they say, weaponize him followers. Them, and me I tell you, say it's not big people, you know. As some look up picnic, you know, brother. That all born me to like look up picnic and no future, and them now nothing for doing, you know, brother. And me say, yo, it's a pink wall and some people always supposed to be there. Then the man them start run up the comment section with some Batman argument and some who no funny and this no funny and ray. Me I say, bumbo clad that and most of them follow me, dog. Them follow me just to get information for send at the group, brother.
Them follow you just to get information, screenshot it and send it in the group. Y'all are weird, bro. Next voice note.
You see me, them look up at their need for go look and have a future, brother. More than for one lick out a Rastaman body. For go do him dirty work. And him not happy, you know.
And furthermore, you don't know me like ask permission for use content and them thing there. I asked for Able Boss permission to use it and Able Boss said go right ahead. Me talk about Baba J, me talk about Dina, me talk about RJ. None of them man they no block me. But I can't talk about your boss. I can't talk about your leader. Y'all are weird. Y'all are pathetic, bro. Next voice note.
Yo, me tell you that youth here, nothing to do with him career, brother. He not even have a bumbuckler career, brother. I pick me a weaponize and I try to sabotage people way and make something out of them career. Cause me there a wrap up quiz and plus I go do a promotion.
Every day Able Boss have a promotion I do. Yeah man. Say my bias when it comes to Able Boss now. Say it bias. Because me get the information from World Dawg thing, but me never even make a video for it. And when me see Able Boss, me say, you know what, this is confirmation. Una get orders for work. That's lame.
Yo, somebody just make a comment under the post and say, yo, after every comedian I try make money off of them talent, this money I build group and I sabotage people page and I hate. And all them look fuck with them. I say, yo, brother, the comment there. Me say the comment there that me willing to give that girl their strength, brother. We just comment that a while ago, brother. I say, yo, I'm dying for unblock pan live, brother. Because that a boy, the fan base is bigger than mine when I know that.
Alright. Able Boss, Black Pan Live. Because of Uno. Next voice note.
That's what I say the man of girly ways, brother. Go so. That's what I say the man of girly ways, brother. You understand? You see what me I talk about? The man of World Dawg hack it now, the man I look friend. I see him thing Prince Pine saying, dog, you're the man that par. This minute and next minute, the man tell you about your mother, you know. That brother, you're sick, you know, my youth. That brother, you're sick, dog. I'm going to load up that group, the dog. Anytime I life with, I'm going to load up that group, the brother. You see what I say? I'm going to load up that group, the virgin.
All right. So you see that now? Where him say? Prince Pine, go up and fix. Prince Pine, RJ, who else? Prince Pine, RJ, and some other people attack. People in the house. Oh, so much people have so much things to say about your leader. And a them wrong. Not your leader, no. Them wrong. Everybody will have something to say about him. Pre-the levels are now. What did he say tonight? Him and World Dawg at it now, him a beg World Dawg for friend. Him unblock World Dawg and try call World Dawg on Instagram. When World Dawg get back in page. Zane, see it here? Hear this now. Hear the one here.
Damn, I done see that already. Somebody done this, send me it already. So I hate the boy I use. Recording. Boy just call me, I don't know where my call me from.
If you can look right up at the top right there, missed call by Tavii. You have your people them. Try delete the man page and you call the man. You were calling the man to do what? More voice note. More voice note.
One man, a roommate, so in a roommate's authority, like you have a look out, spot in our roommates, but I'm the boss still, but you understand? But what I say is a dark call me and say, him no want this and no want that. My brother talk to Tavii, bro. You understand? I'm look out Telegram group where man van manipulate the people them for go around and do this and do that. Like them want come style man thing in a public and rare and one bag of something them say hero same because me I hear a video call to you know. Me I hear up on the phone both for half an hour a video call and a chat, you know. I hear a show me certain vibes, you know. You see what me I tell you say? Them want hero come on live with him for peace and I tell them say yo hero nah do that hero say yo him nah do that. Unless I'm a PM. Yes, the boss name nah do that, brother. The boss nah do that.
You want hero for be a friend now. Nobody have nothing good to say about that youth here. We work with him. You tell Tavii Zoe say she forget tattoo on her hand of clan. She put Tavii in front of your real name, Tavii Zoe, for please you. You're controlling. You understand? Next voice note, it's the last one.
So, the room man tell me say I'm going to link Tavii and tell Tavii for close a group there. That don't make no sense and Ray. And yes, you me I try say a beer war I go and dog and all them go suck the brother. The youth they want attention dog, I don't understand. Oh, the brother you move so chargy. You see me, so me I say Tavii now close the group, that's easy, so man must send me screenshots so Tavii close the group.
See the screenshot here? Tavii post. See there? Group close. Link dead. Top left corner. Kyng Tavii. And that from about a week now. A week and mash. For show you how me did uninterested for make the content here. But because me return now, me I say, you know what? Me not go waste nothing. Me done get up already. Because me done get up the information and everything. I say, yeah, boom, I drop it a road. Y'all are weird. Each of you come and comment on my post. Say me bias. Weird. Bad. You see me I weaponize the nation for go over film page and do nothing. I will never play with somebody money. I would never play with somebody food. Because a hungry man is an angry man. But you and him and everybody else who want to come on other people's page and try and mash up them group, he is weaponizing you guys. He is a puppet master with Avenue. Avenue like this. I don't have no ratings for people like that. Weird. Talk about the Negus all you want. But one thing with me, you can't get me out, brother. You can't get me out. Me a fighter. Zane, me a fighter. And I'm not going to live with that. I saw life go, man. I saw life go. Me figure on out. Everyone I want to come over and say, oh, you're biased. Why didn't you say I was biased when time we were talking, before me even do the World Lock interview? I don't know me I talk about Tavii. I don't know. But hey, I'll just remain biased. Because really and truly, biased too. Will never tell Tavii say I'm wrong. Never. Even though 10,000 people are road that say something wrong with that youth here. He's perfect in your eyes. But I'm biased. I saw life go. We don't know say one nation and Imara nation. Yo, I'm out. You don't know, so you leave your comments so I know how to feel. You understand? Yo, I welcome the hate. You understand? Make sure you sound a like, dislike, share the video, all and nothing. You know what I mean? I don't care. Because at the end of the day, I got a job in real life.